Hello kids! Guess what? The wheels on the bus are here again. And today we are going on a super duper fruit farm adventure. First stop, the strawberry house. Oh wow! Look who's here! Let's roll ahead. At the mango house, we see a big friend, the elephant. Next stop, the apple house. Wait a second. Ooh, it's the monkey king. And now, the watermelon house. Oh my goodness, it's our little funny piggy. He's ready for some giggles. Ha!
Pear house.
Surprise! Who's here? It's Teddy Buddy. Let's drive to the orange house. Moo! It's our cow friend. Hi, cow. Last stop. Ta-da! The pineapple house. And here comes our pretty kitty cat. Meow meow. Hey, everyone is here. So let's all go on a surprise trip together. What fun we had today. See you all soon. Bye-bye, kids!
Hello, friends! Good day to you! This looks interesting. We have colorful building blocks. These blocks teach us the alphabets. Help me place them in order, please. A. Let's do the same for all. Perfect! B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Well done, friends! See you again! Bye!
Nice. Hello, kids. Hey, children. Good day to you. Shall we begin? Ooh. Perfect!
A sheep. A pig. A dog. A rooster. A rabbit. A donkey.
Have a wonderful day. Thanks for the help.
Hello, friends. Good day to you. This looks interesting. We have numbers, colors, and shapes. I think we have a surprise also. Let's check them. Square, red, 1. Duck, triangle, orange, 2. Dog, circle, yellow, 3. Cow, rectangle, green, 4. Chicken, oval, cyan, 5. Cat, pentagon, blue, 6. Frog, heart, purple, 7. Rabbit, plus, pink, 8. Sheep, star, turquoise, 9. Horse, arrow, brown, 10. Pig, happy learning! Bye!
Hello, kids. Ooh. Let's check what's in there. Very colorful. Shall we begin? Hey! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. White color. Black color. Thanks for the help. Have a wonderful day.